What's up everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine. So spring is finally here and I hope you're as excited as I am. And to celebrate, I'm going to show you how to make Tasty's no-bake springberry pie, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, well, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 10 vegan graham crackers, half of a lemon, juiced, 8 ounces of vegan cream cheese, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of strawberries, half a cup of melted vegan butter, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan no-bake springberry pie. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.